This is a very fast recipe, easy to make, everyone can do it. Let me show you how to make it. Make sure you thank me later. Check the caption for the recipe. In a saucepan, add your whole powdered milk, sugar and cornstarch or cornflour. If you have problem with getting any of this, let me know in the comments. I can show you how to make a substitute with the ingredients you already have. And you still get exactly the same product I'm teaching right now. Mix together, work on a low and bring it to steamer. Then allow it to cook for 30 minutes before filling it into the mold. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please feel free to do so that you can see more of this yummy goodness. For my old subscribers, your love has brought me this far. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Nisi. Please don't forget to give us a like so that other people can see this video. Place the mold into a freezer for at least 8 hours. And here comes the gorgeous frozen dessert that everybody craves. Can you imagine how satisfying this can be? So let me see your comments. Let me see you make this recipe and share with me your experience. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.